Daily cleaning. General cleaning. Exterior surfaces may be cleaned using a soft cloth and mild detergent. Do not use highly chlorinated or alkaline detergents to clean the exterior or interior components of the range, as these types of solutions can lead to easy degradation of the component. Do not use scouring powder. It is extremely difficult to remove completely. It can build up accumulations that will damage the oven. Cleaning stainless steel. Here are a few simple cleaning procedures that have been found effective for keeping stainless steel equipment sparkling clean. Use ordinary soap or detergent and water for routine cleaning of stainless steel. To prevent water spots and streaks, rinse thoroughly with warm water and wipe dry with a soft, clean cloth. The addition of a rinsing agent will also help prevent spotting. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan range. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.